Mr. Amol purchased 50 shares of face value rupees 100 when the market value was rupees 80. Company had given 20% dividend. Find the rate of return on investment. Then solution. Here face value is equal to 100. Market value is equal to rupees 80 and number of shares is equal to 50. Sum of investment is equal to market value into number of shares is equal to 80 into 50. Therefore 4,000 rupees is investment. And now dividend per share is equal to face value into rate of dividend. Is equal to 100 into 20 upon 100 100 cancels here is equal to 20. That means dividend per share is 20 rupees. Now we have to calculate total dividend income on 50 shares. Therefore total dividend received is equal to dividend per share into number of shares. 20 into 50 is equal to 1000. Total dividend received is equal to 1000. Now rate of return is equal to total dividend income divided by sum investment into 100. So we have to put values now in formula. 1000 divided by 4000 into 100. Here zeros will be cancelled and 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. Therefore rate of return is 25% on investment. Rate of return on investment is equal to 25%.